Discipline is not glamorous, it's not aesthetic. It's not something you flaunt on Instagram, it's silent, lonely, and brutally uncomfortable. You wake up early, you repeat the same habits, you go unnoticed, and no one claps for your effort. Discipline doesn't reward you immediately. It breaks you first, it tests your patience, it kills your ego. But then, something shifts. You begin to move differently, think differently. You become sharper, calmer, stronger. People start noticing. They ask what changed, but they weren't there for the pain, for the sacrifices, for the nights you wanted to quit. They see the transformation, not the discipline that caused it. And that's the point. Discipline builds you in the dark, so you can shine in the light. Be patient, stay consistent. Let discipline shape the version of you that comfort never could.